I'm gonna make some coleslaw. I have cabbage that I've shredded, and I'm just gonna put it into my bowl. And then I have some carrots that I've shredded on my grater, on the very fine side of the grater. Okay. So that's beautiful, colorful, lovely. I'm just gonna mix everything. I have no picture the other day for me. The coleslaw. Remember when I made that coleslaw? Okay. So I'm gonna add 3 things: vinegar, mayonnaise, a little bit of sugar to balance out the vinegar taste. So I'm going to do a tablespoon of vinegar. Waiting for the sugar. It's about 3/4 teaspoon. Yeah, you don't want it to be too sweet. It's just to balance out the vinegar taste. So this is optional. You don't have to even put no sugar on it, because it's supposed to be healthy, not cancel out the healthiness. Okay. And of course we're gonna put some mayonnaise on it. I'm not gonna put a lot. I'm gonna see what that looks like. Tablespoon. Mix that out first and see if I like the consistency. I can add some more. Add another tablespoon of mayonnaise. So that's 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I'm not adding any more. Yep, that's what I want.